Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to set up an Azure Databricks Workspace step by step. So let's dive in. Before going into details, I just wanted to let you know that if you don't know about the Azure Databricks or you are new into Azure Databricks, then you can follow my previous video on my channel to get a detail about the Azure Databricks. Okay, so let's move. If you are into database, machine learning, or analytics, Azure Databricks is a powerful tool that combines the best of Apache Spark with Microsoft Azure's cloud capabilities. By the end of this video, you will have your own workspace ready for data processing. So let's dive in. So what exactly prerequisites is required? So before begin, make sure you have an active Azure subscription. If you don't have, then you will have to find out the free one, and the free one definitely works perfectly. And if you are working on any organization and you wanted to explore your knowledge in Azure Databricks, then you will have to contributor access or owner role to the Azure portal. So if you don't have, then free trial definitely works perfectly fine, right? And a basic understanding of a Spark or big data concept that is required. Okay, so if you have all these things, then great, you can go and look into this, right? So if you see into the picture, this one is the home screen of the Azure portal where you can see all your favorite things which you have recently opened, because I have recently opened these all things, that's why it is showing here. And resources, all those resources will be there, and you can see the shortcut here to navigate from here, right? So let's move into the sign in to Azure portal. So if you click into this portal.azure.com to sign up, then you will get this pop-up. You will have to sign up by using you will have to sign in by using your email and credential. And if you don't have any account, then definitely you will have to sign up for the account. Okay, so once logged in, then you'll create resources, right? First of all, you'll have to create a resource for Azure Databricks. Then you'll have to type Azure Databricks into the search bar. If you see here, then it will showing the Azure Databricks. Then you can click on the create button. Okay, once you click on the create button, then it will let you move into this screen where you can fill all the details like subscription. So whatever the subscription you have created previously, that subscription you can utilize here. Then resource group, whatever the resource group you wanted to name it, that resource group you can provide here. If you don't have any resource group, then definitely you can create from here, right? So then you will have to create a workspace name. So define your workspace name by using your own choice, right? And the region, that means location, you will have to provide. So the recommendation is that whatever the location nearby your location, that would be great. If you are in Europe, then definitely West Europe. If you are India, then Indian, and US, wherever you want to have, you can choose and select that region. Pricing tier is premium I have selected because standard is also recommended. If you are not working for any kind of project or production environment, then standard is the best choice. Premium is definitely for the organizational purpose. Okay, once it is done, then you can click on the review and create button here. Then it will create or it will deploy your Databricks workspace, right, which takes normally 2 to 5 minutes. So you'll have to wait for that. once deployment is done for your workspace, then you'll have to go and click onto the Azure Database Services to click on the launch workspace here. Okay, then it will move into the workspace page. So how this page will look like? This way. So Azure Databricks Workspace, this is the home page of this one. Here you can find all these menu items from the left part, and then all this news related to what new Databricks has launched in March, April, whatever it will be coming, that all will be showing here, right? This screen I added here normally to show you that if you click onto the workspace, then this option will be coming. So if you see here it is home, workspace, repo, repository. With the GitHub you can connect, shared with multiple team, you can share the notebook. There are other options to share notebooks also, but that we will discuss later in other videos, right? So these all options will be there. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you, right? So in this tutorial we have successfully set up an Azure Databricks Workspace. Now you are ready to dive into a big data analytics, machine learning and ETL pipelines on Azure, right? So you will be able to create notebook, cluster and workflows. Okay, that's it for today. So if you found this helpful, press the like button and subscribe for more Azure and data engineering tutorials, right? If you have any question, drop them into the comments and definitely I would love to help you. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.